Hello friends, in this video we will discuss a problem which is related to the concept of constraints in kinematics. So in the given problem, a system which is shown in the diagram has a wedge A which is moving towards left with a speed of 2 meter per second, and we have to find the speed of block B. So let us assume the length of the string between the wedge and pulley 1 to be equal to x, from pulley 1 to pulley 2 be equal to L1. Similarly, I am assuming other lengths as well, L2, L3. This length I am considering as Y since it is going to increase when the block or the wedge move towards right. This length I am considering as L4, and finally the distance between this pulley and block B I am considering it as Z. Now I can write the expression for the total length of the string starting from the wedge and ending at the block. I can write the total length of the string to be equal to x plus the sum of the lengths of the remaining sections. This will be equal to the total length of the string. On differentiating the given expression which is obtained with respect to time, we get dx by dt plus dy by dt plus dz by dt will be equal to 0. The differentials of all these remaining terms is again going to be equal to 0 since the length of the portion, for example, the length of the portion between pulley 1 and pulley 2, this length L1 will remain constant with respect to time, so its differential will be taken as 0. Similarly for the lengths which are marked in the diagram. Now the value of dx by dt which is mentioned in the problem is equal to -2 since x will decrease. When the wedge will shift towards left, the value of x will decrease, so I am taking dx by dt as -2. Similarly, dy by dt will be taken as +2, and dz by dt finally will be equal to 0. So it simply means that with respect to the wedge, the speed of block is 0. But again, there is a twist in this problem. When you see this particular diagram from frame of reference of ground, the scenario will be entirely different. We can say that from frame of reference of wedge A, the speed of block B, the relative speed of block B is 0. But since again then the wedge A is moving towards left with the speed of 2 meter per second. So we can say that in frame of reference of ground, the block will also move towards left. The block will have a tendency to move towards left with the same speed as that of the wedge. So with respect to the ground, the speed of block B as seen by observer will be 2 meter per second.